morning, dear students. I am Rajkumar Tiwari. Here I am taking chapter number 3rd of our grammar book. Chapter's name is pronoun. Okay. In our earlier class, we have learned the definition what pronoun is. Okay. So pronoun is the word which is used in the place of any noun. Okay. In the place of any noun. This is the definition, and I don't understand, or I don't think I need to explain it further. Okay, so we are moving. What pronoun is? Pronoun is word which is used in the place of any noun. Okay. Next, contents are there. Here we can see what we are going to learn, what we are going to understand in this video. First is pronoun purpose. Why do we use pronoun? Second one is what is personal pronoun, what is possessive pronoun. Second, what is indefinite pronoun, what is relative pronoun. Next is what is demonstrative pronoun, what is interrogative pronoun. Next, reflexive and intensive pronoun, and last one is reciprocal. This attribute is not a kind of pronoun. Okay, so here the very first slide, that is the purpose of noun. Why do we use pronoun? Okay, here why do we use pronoun? It is written here, purpose of pronoun. So the purpose of pronoun is to replace its antecedent. Antecedent means noun. Okay, so pronoun is replacing any noun, we call it pronoun. Okay, example, Mrs. Nelson gave herself a foot massage after a long hard day. Okay, so here the pronoun is herself, that replaces noun Mrs. Nelson. Okay, so Mrs. Nelson is the antecedent. Okay, so you don't get confused. Antecedent means the word which is replaced by a pronoun. Okay, so there are many types of pronoun. Okay, here we are going to read about the types of pronoun. The very first type of pronoun, that is personal pronoun. So what personal pronoun is? So personal pronoun are those pronoun which are used to make subject or object. Examples like I, me, we, us, they, them, he, him, she, her, and it. Okay, here example is I. I is used here as a subject. I want you. What you is object. Okay, so I want you to give the book to him. Okay, so what pronouns are here? So very first pronoun is I, second one is you, third one is him. Here I is subjective pronoun, and rest of us, you and him, they are objective pronoun, and they both are called personal pronoun. Now next one is possessive pronoun. What possessive pronoun? Okay, so this pronoun shows ownership, means we possess anything like my, our, your, their, his, her, its, like this. Okay, for an example, my car is red but yours is green. So what word is showing possession here? In first my, and in second yours. Okay, so these pronouns are called possessive pronoun. Okay, next type of pronoun, that is indefinite pronoun. Okay, so these pronouns do not take the place of any specific noun, means we cannot say whether the noun is singular or plural. We take for anything like everybody, anybody, somebody, all, each, every, some, none, one, and no one. Here it is not specified to which we have removed. Okay, so these pronouns are indefinite pronoun. Indefinite means uncertain. Okay, so indefinite pronouns are. Next one is relative pronoun. So what relative pronoun is? So these pronouns relate groups of words to other pronouns. Okay, once again repeating, these pronouns relate groups of words to other pronoun like who, whoever, which, that, like that. Indefinite ke example you can see here, everyone is accounted for. So everyone is indefinite pronoun, and relative pronouns example is whoever makes this shot will be the team hero. Okay, so here whoever is a pronoun, but it is showing the relation, so this pronoun is called relative pronoun. Okay, next type of pronoun, this is demonstrative pronoun. Okay, so pronoun like this, that, these and those, they are called your demonstrative pronoun. And what demonstrative pronoun work? Okay, so demonstrative pronoun identify or point to any nouns. Okay, like that is my pencil, so all are not meant my pencil, that is my pencil, so it is pointing to a particular noun. Next pronoun is interrogative pronoun. So words like who, whose, what, which, okay, they are interrogative pronoun. And what the function of interrogative pronouns? So interrogative pronouns are used to introduce a question. Example like whose pencil is that? So here word whose is asked about a person whose pencil it is. Okay, so this is making question, and it is pronoun also. Okay, so this is interrogative pronoun. Next pronoun is intensive and reflexive, both are same. Okay, intensive and reflexive pronouns like myself, yourself, himself, herself, yourselves, ourselves, themselves, these pronoun where we find self and selves. Okay, these are called your intensive or reflexive pronoun. What is the function? So first is intensive pronouns are used to emphasize the subject. Emphasize means to put special pressure on that, like I myself will drive home. Okay, nobody else is going to drive, I myself will drive, मैं खुद चलाऊंगा. Okay, so here the word myself is an intensive. Here I am giving emphasis on myself. Okay, second one is reflexive pronoun. So reflexive pronoun, same word, indicate that subject of a sentence also receives the action of the verb. Like I told myself to, I told myself to do this. Okay, so किसको बोला मैंने बेटा? So I am the subject and I am object also. Both things are there. I subject and myself. Okay, I told myself to do this. ठीक है, मीन्स मैं खुद ही सब्जेक्ट हूँ, मैं खुद ही ऑब्जेक्ट हूँ. दैट्स ओके. नेक्स्ट next reciprocal pronoun. So what reciprocal pronouns are? Okay, so use these pronouns when two or more subjects are acting in the same way towards one another. Okay, towards the other. Example here, Tessa and Soren are talking to each other. Okay, like this is Tessa, here I am making one person, this is second person, so this is talking to this one and this is talking to this one. Okay, so this type of condition, if pronoun is used there, so this type of pronoun is called a reciprocal pronoun. Like each other, so each other and one another are the only reciprocal pronoun in English. Okay, only two, each other and one another. Okay, only use reciprocal pronouns when two or more people, things or group are doing the same thing. It is not so I am playing cricket and some other is playing football, so I will use reciprocal pronoun. Okay, if I am talking to you, you are talking to me, so we are talking to each other. Okay, so each other, one another, this type of pronouns are called what? Reciprocal pronouns. So what we have seen, once again let us repeat. We have seen what pronoun is. So pronoun is used in the place of noun. What type of pronouns are there? Okay, so here the very first pronoun, personal pronoun, it is of two types, subject and object, or subjective and objective. Next one is possessive pronoun, that shows the ownership or possession. Indefinite pronoun, which is not showing the specific nouns we have removed. Relative pronoun, that is showing the relation to the subject or to the other sentence. Okay, next one is demonstrative pronoun, which is used to point or to identify any noun. Interrogative pronoun is used to ask question. Next, intensive or reflexive pronoun. Okay, so both are same. Intensive is used to just emphasize, and reflexive is used when we are subject and object both. Then the reciprocal pronoun, last one. Okay, so reciprocal pronouns, when two people or two persons are working same way, or they are doing the same thing, then we use. And in English only two reciprocal pronouns are there, one another and each other. Okay, so this is the description about pronoun, I hope. Okay, and in your grammar book exercises are there, try.